When Prime Minister Narendra Modi took his electoral campaign for the Maharashtra Assembly polls to Maratha strongman Sharad Pawar's bastion, he unleashed a no-holds-barred attack on the NCP president. He urged voters in Pawar's pocket borough Baramati to rid the state of the stranglehold of the uncle-nephew duo. He hit back at senior Pawar for questioning his election campaign at a time when Pakistani troops were violating the ceasefire along the line of control and the international border.
मैं हैरान हूं, ये शरद राव कह रहे हैं कि सीमा पर तनाव है और मोदी महाराष्ट्र में आए हैं। अरे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की भूमि से ज्यादा वीरता की प्रेरणा कौन दे सकता है? लेकिन मैं शरद राव को पूछना चाहता हूं, आप जब रक्षा मंत्री थे तब भी चीन और पाकिस्तान ने अपनी हरकतें बंद नहीं की। क्या आप कभी सीमा पर गए थे क्या?
Calling the Congress-NCP split in Maharashtra a farce, the Prime Minister said that they were together in reality and the show of separation was a tactic to divert the attention of voters ahead of the assembly election. Accusing the former Congress-NCP dispensation in the state of being steeped in corruption, the Prime Minister said that corruption had increased 10 times during their rule.
ये एनसीपी की घड़ी टिक-टिक भी नहीं करती है। ये एनसीपी की घड़ी कह रही है 10 साल में 10 गुना भ्रष्टाचार किया है। ये 10 साल में 10 गुना भ्रष्टाचार का प्रतीक है उनका ये घड़ी। जिन्होंने 10 साल में 10 गुना भ्रष्टाचार कर दिया है उनके लिए महाराष्ट्र की राजनीति में कोई जगह नहीं हो सकती भाई, कोई जगह नहीं।
He raised the issue of agrarian distress in the state and assured that the centre was working for the uplift of farmers and to check incidents of suicide by them. Besides Baramati, he addressed public meetings in Rahuri, in Ahmednagar and Pipindi. He appealed to voters to end dynasty politics entrenched in the state. With Battleground Maharashtra a multi-cornered contest, the knives are out from all sides. And the BJP too is leaving no stone unturned to turn the heat on its rivals. Newsnight Desk, DD News.